Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new here, welcome. Y'all, I am super excited today because today's video I am reviewing or showing you guys this lovely synthetic wig. Of course, this lovely synthetic wig that I just put on today, this unit. I don't think I've ever did like layers, like colorful layers like this before. So when I saw it online, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to try this. So that's what this video is all about today. If you're wondering what it is, just make sure you stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, before we get started though, you already know the deal. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and like this video as well. And let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so yes, it was, I don't know what it was for me. I think it was the color. It was the color for me. It was the color and it was the layers for me. If you can see, these are the layers. Make sure I show you guys that first. The layers of this beautiful unit. I got it from Sensational. I've tried Sensational before. You like the specs of the wig. This is a deep center part unit. This is a lace unit. It's by Sensational, but it's by Dashley. I hope I'm not pronouncing that right. Dashley is the, I got the color Money Peace Blonde. Bomb. When I say this money, this color is doing it for me. But yeah, it's the color Money Peace Blonde, and I have a whole bunch of different colors. These are the colors that they have, and also I'll make sure I have a link down below on where I got it from, because this one's actually in stock and I was so surprised that it was in stock. But I think on the website that I went to, it was like in stock, but the other ones that I usually go to first, like wig types and stuff like that, they weren't, you know, in stock on this color. But I'll make sure I have a link down below on where I got it from. So yes, the specs on the unit, it is a deep center part unit. Basically you just part it, you can only part it, you know, one way in the middle, but it is deep. So that's good. And it does come with baby hairs. I like to scoot the baby hairs back whenever I'm doing my unit. So whenever I hot comb my hair, I just scoot the baby hairs back, and I created my own little baby hairs. Even though, listen, do what I say, not as I do. Because honestly and truly, I should have plucked the wig, because if you saw like at the beginning, you can tell that it was not plucked at all. So keep that in mind. You need to pluck this unit if you're wanting to wear more of like a up part. I'm not exactly sure. I usually don't. When it comes to this units like this, I just let them, you know, be how they are. But yeah, I would definitely pluck the unit. That's what I should have did when it came to the baby hairs. I have a big head, so I'm not gonna say it's not big head friendly, but it did fit. It's not fitting snug where like I can't pull it down, because I can pull it down some more. Okay, so let me finish telling you the, you know, the specs on the unit. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. So it is ear to ear soft lace. It is heat resistant. You know, so if you saw earlier, I was going through with my hot comb. It's safe up to 300. Well, safe from 350 up to 450 degrees. So yeah, so it is safe to, you know, use a hot comb or use some type of heat on it. So that is good. So yeah, this is what this unit is all about. I don't think I've never tried Dashley lace front wig. This is my first wig by this particular brand. It's still by Sensational, but the brand itself is by Dashley. I've never had Dashley, but it's their lace unit number 8. Again, I'm gonna have everything down below. Now the only con, like I said before, is you do need to pluck this you do need to pluck the wig. Other than that, it's a synthetic wig, you guys. It's going to tangle. So I did experience a little bit of tangling whenever I was combing my hair. Well, yeah, whenever I was combing out the curls and everything to get them how I wanted, I did experience some tangling. Unfortunately, I did experience I'm not gonna say quite a few, but a lot of a lot of, you know, shredded hair. So that's another con about that. It does shed more than what I will like it to, but again, it's a synthetic unit, so I don't take that seriously like other folks may take it seriously, because I don't really wear, you know, synthetic units a lot or all the time. So, but you can take that in consideration. So other than that, I think those are like the two cons I really have about it, is that it does shed more than what I would like to for it to be, and that you do need to pluck to make it more of like a realistic, you know, hairline. Other than that, this balm sold me, guys. I forgot how much I paid for it. I'll make sure I have it down below. I know I didn't pay more than like 40, I believe so. I don't think I paid more than 40, but I'll have everything down below so you can see it firsthand. Hopefully this wig is still in stock. This unit is so cute. Like, I can't stop looking at it. I think it was the curls and it's the color for me, because they blend the color so well. It's more like a, I want to say like, you know, dark brown on top. It's not black, and then it fades into like these different blonde colors. Like, you got this part right here that's more of going towards like a brown, and then in the front it's going towards like more of a blonde color. So I think that's what sold it for me. And besides, like, the curls itself are really bomb. I did comb it out. So, but other than that, let me show you the back if you're interested in seeing what the back looks like. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. Right there. I want to say that sorry y'all, I'm 5'5", but I want to say this unit, as far as like the length of it, I think it's probably like around, it's kind of long, so I would say 20 inches. I think this is like around 20 inches, to be honest. That is my review on this beautiful wig. Again, this is my first time trying Dashley by Sensational. I've never tried them before, but I will be on the lookout for more units by that particular brand. Again, if you're feeling this wig, don't forget to make sure you like it, comment, and let me know, you know, if it's a banger or not. I know it's a banger, but anyway, so yes, thank you guys for tuning in to my video today. Thank you for even clicking on my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, bye.